Good day everyone! Today we're going to tackle about data collection procedure. But first, what is quantitative data? Quantitative data is measurable information in a numerical form, and it is any information that can be turned into numbers for measurement and statistical analysis. Generally, data are any pieces of information or facts that people have known. When this data answers the research problem, it becomes helpful to research. When research data appears to be measurable in the numerical form, it is considered quantitative data. However, some qualitative data can also be useful to quantitative research once it is given a numerical value. For example, if you study about adjustment experiences of students to distant learning, if it is categorized and numbered accordingly, then it can be qualified during analysis.
Observation. Gathering information using the sense site hearing. Use an observation checklist to record data. Example. Gathering information using senses. Observers collect data by watching and listening to what is happening in the environment.
Nga ba ang survey? Ang survey sa datos gibuhat pinaagi sa interview o questionnaire. Pinaagi sa questionnaire mo gamit ka og sunod-sunod na mga pangutana o mga pamahayag na kinahanglan tubagon sa mga respondent. Ang interview mao ang pangutana on sa mga respondent pinaagi sa istorya o aron sa ihatag nila ang ilang tubag. Tungod kay questionnaire quantitative ang research, gilauman na ang mga tubag dunay numerical o bili bisan pa numerical o ordinal ang formal.
Experimental research. This research design is based on a scientific method called experiment, with a procedure of gathering data under controlled or manipulated environment. It is also known as true experimental design since it applies treatment and manipulation more extensively compared to quasi-experimental design. Random assignments of subjects or participants into treatment and control group done increasing the validity of the study. Experimental research.
Before, prepare the research instrument. Identify the authorities that will be involved and need to ask permission. Determine the sample size and corresponding respondent. Paragraph of if applicable. Example, prepare the research instrument. They are tools used to collect data like questionnaire, survey, or checklists.